Since 1988, Butler Transport's slogan, "Partners in Excellence," has been more than just a motto. It's been the cornerstone of our success. Our mission is to provide our customers with superior nationwide transportation services that exceed their varied and specialized needs. To accomplish our mission, we operate a fleet of late-model tractors and high-cube, temperature-controlled refrigerated trailers, capitalizing on weight-saving specifications with aerodynamic components that greatly reduces our carbon footprint while enhancing our operating efficiency. From our centrally located facility in Kansas City, we oversee the successful operation of our fleet in a responsive and efficient manner, serving multiple customer facilities and routes throughout the continental United States. We continue to be an early adopter of cutting-edge technology, embracing a spirit of innovation and ability to see value where others only see costs. Moving forward, our core values set the stage for creating long-term relationships that thrive on continuity and future expansion. Our team will deliver on our promise of providing superior on-time service at an exceptional value while maintaining our commitment to always be your partner in excellence.